In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable automatic downloads in Google Chrome step by step. This is a really useful setting if you want to control whether websites can download multiple files automatically on your computer. It's especially helpful for improving privacy, reducing unwanted downloads, and making sure Chrome behaves the way you want. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click on that menu and from the drop-down list, select Settings. This will take you to the main Chrome settings page. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the browser controls for cookies, site permissions, security, and other important options. After that, click Site Settings. Site settings is where Chrome manages what websites are allowed to do, including access to downloads, location, camera, microphone, and more. Now scroll down until you find additional permissions. Click to expand that section and then select automatic downloads. This is the setting that controls whether a website can automatically download multiple files in a row. If you've ever used a site that tried to save several files at once, this is the option that decides whether Chrome allows it or blocks it. If you want to enable automatic downloads, choose the option that says sites can automatically download multiple files. Once you select this, Chrome will allow websites to download files automatically when needed. This can be useful for websites you trust, especially if you work with files, exports, or online tools that need to download several items at once. If you want to disable automatic downloads, select Don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. This will block websites from downloading multiple files without your permission. It's a good choice if you want tighter control over what gets saved to your device, or if you're trying to avoid spammy downloads from unfamiliar sites. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable automatic downloads in Google Chrome. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks once you know where the setting is located. If this video helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.